So I've got the Peragon truck cover. This is the one that folds. I've got it locked right now because I knew it was going to rain last night, and I was testing. Because what I've done is added a bead of caulk, a real thin bead, and got it underneath this lip to help prevent water from getting in from the sides. Because when I first installed it, I got water on the sides. So I did that on both, and I was really not expecting as much water because I also installed this that comes with the from Peragon, their rubber seal around the tailgate. So I've got it installed here and all the way up here, and I'm really not seeing a big difference between having sealed it on the sides and then also putting in this seal. I'm still getting a good bit of water in the truck bed, and I get it's not going to be waterproof, but this is just, it feels like it's more than what I was expecting. I feel like I've seen people online like run theirs through a car wash and it's a lot drier than this. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but I'm just curious if you guys have the Peragon sliding truck bed cover, and if this is pretty normal for what I should be expecting here, because I'm also seeing like water drips coming from here. And again, if I've sealed it on the outside, that's coming through either the panels or where the panels meet the railings. Again, another water drip kind of in the middle of this. So I'm a little confused. I'm not sure if I'm happy. I'm definitely not happy. I want it to be a little drier than this. So if you guys have this truck bed cover, please let me know, or if you've got a different recommendation of how you kept yours more dry, because I've tried a few things here and I've been letting them know as well what's going on with the cover, or yeah, the cover, and how much water I'm getting, and trying to figure out what's normal so I can let you guys know. Again, the center is pretty dry, but I want to be able to keep more of this dry, and I'm afraid if I'm going to be ruining tools or luggage, whatever I'm gonna put back here is still going to get wet, especially if I fill up the truck. It's not like I'm only going to put something in the dead center of my truck bed. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have the same cover, or you've got a recommendation on a different cover, I may end up sending this back if I'm just not confident I'm gonna be able to keep my stuff dry, especially for vacations or whatever. But yeah, let me know what you think.